Bitcoin right now on the brink of a big move. It is May 1st, 5:19 a.m. And as you can see here, kind of what we were expecting was Bitcoin holding the line there at 93K. I had said that in the video yesterday. And then us going in for another move to the upside, which would ultimately be positive for the altcoins in a big way. And as you can see, if we go to the right side of the screen and filter this, we got some double digit gainers today. Beam, Aerodrome, Sonic, some meme coins as well too. You're seeing some positive movement across the board here, and things are looking very exciting going into May and ultimately June and July. So we're going to see where we're at right now and basically just track this. I mean, what we were expecting is looking like it's about to happen right now. As you can see here, if we go to the 12-hour chart, you can see we're starting to get that cross up. We want to see that, like I said yesterday, cross up fast. So we can see that move happen like as we speak, and us start pressing up through 96K and maintain that, and not like see a immediate rejection with a wick on top. And then we see a positive close on the daily candle tonight. Then that 12-hour stock RSI will cross up, and then we really need to see a cross up above that 50 line for a sustained move to the upside. But like I said, I'm targeting the 97 and 98K, could even go a hair below 100K as well too, before maybe putting in a potential pullback, a dip before the next rip. But in the Discord, there were some things that I was covering last night. So if you're not in the Discord, link is in the bio, go join it. You can see here in the market updates section. So total crypto tracking, this is a total crypto market cap chart, seeing it pop up to come back down, and then, you know, work ourselves out in May. And then ultimately by the end of the month, put in a new high, and then June, we boom, and then into July we fly. So that's what I'm watching. Or, you know, there's the scenario that we just no dip and we just rip, baby. And honestly, I'll take either or scenario, because we have the Grim Reaper signal, the total crypto market cap. We avoided the kiss of death, but it's following us here. It's really trying to put the nail in the coffin on us, but we're trying to escape it. We're trying to escape. So May needs to be another positive month here with price action to the upside with some momentum, or we run the risk of this flashing now in May. So it's like the Grim Reaper signal, the kiss of death to the bull market. It just keeps chasing us. So we need to see a monthly candle close above likely 3.3 trillion to avoid this again, and then it might flash in June, and we gotta have to do the same thing. So this could just be, you know, these next couple of months just up, of course with some pullbacks along the way. But seeing how this signal keeps chasing our tail, that means we gotta see momentum, and momentum quick, to avoid it. So that's what I'm expecting here. So now we got to revisit this on June 1st to see if this is confirmed or not. And in my opinion, I don't think we're going to see it, but we will track it. We will track it. So that's the total crypto market cap. There were some other things in the Discord as well too. We're going to have dips, but it's got to be very short lived, and we can't have any sustained pullbacks as far as timing. We can't spend a lot of time down and like correcting and just chilling here for the rest of the month. We need to see quick pullbacks and just continuing on higher. So that's what we're watching. Maybe May we slay, baby. It's a Mavia May. That's what we're aiming for. We're seeing the gaming tokens actually pretty strong. They're one of the first ones to pop. As you can see, Beam up double digits. We had big time, and we're expecting Mavia. We got to see the pop. We need the milli bag in May. Let's go into the others market cap as well too. In the short term, you can see that we're pressing up through this trend line. If we go to a 4-hour chart, you can see we're breaking out. Yep. So I'm looking at targeting around 248 to 252 billion before getting cautious again for the others market cap up here. And then we could come back down. You know, that's what I'm watching until we escape out of this range and then hold and just keep on chugging up. And now going more vertical with the trend, that's when we'll get parabolic. But until then, we're just going to ride this channel. But we're going to have to watch Bitcoin as well too. That's why you're going to want to join the Discord, because as price is moving in real time, I'll keep you guys updated in real time. So looking at the others market cap though, 4-hour chart, seeing that momentum come up, TSI right above that zero line, ready to cross up as well too. When we saw that back April 17th, that was really the start of this move up. So we could see a positive couple of days here into the weekend, but really like you'll want to de-risk on this next move up heading into this weekend, because Friday we have some macro data coming out, but also next week we have the Fed meeting, and personally, I don't want any of that action. So yeah, it's next week. So it looks like that's kind of what we're tracking today. I mean, we're starting to see Bitcoin break above this micro 786. We need to hold above 95K, likely with this 12-hour candle in 2 hours and 33 minutes when it closes. And then we can start to see that move up today. And I think we have some macro data coming out this morning as well too at 10 a.m. But all in all, exciting times ahead. This is what we're watching. Let's check real quick the others pump and dump chart. It looks like we may break down from this, which will be like a bear flag, and that means we'll continue our pump up in the others market cap. So if we take this, extend it out, you know, this could bring us to the top of the belly of the beast. That might be where we're heading to next. But also, we got to remain a little bit cautious because we do have this 786 here from the low to the high up here. We have the 786. So we want to see a meltdown through this. And then likely we're going to come to here before ultimately putting in a bounce. And that will be the last time we'll see a dip on the others market cap before, in my opinion, we fly. So that is it. I'll see you guys in the Discord. Link is in the bio for that. And I'll see you guys in the next video.